After you set when S Pen is removed, open Air command, create note, or do nothing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on advanced features. After that, tap on S Pen. Then go down and tap on when S Pen is removed. From the pop-up, you could choose open Air command, create note, or do nothing. Here, if we set it to open Air command, and if I remove my S Pen, it's removed. This will quickly open up my shortcuts here, and from here I can choose to use the shortcut to open up an app or proceed to an action. And that's it. So that is how you can set the S Pen is removed when the S Pen is removed to open a command or create note or do nothing. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.